Welcome to a real working day in the life of a logging truck driver, where the day begins before the sun even rises. Before hitting the road, the driver thoroughly checks every detail of the truck, from the brakes and tires to the chains securing the logs. With a vehicle weighing tens of tons, safety is always the top priority. Even the smallest mistake can lead to serious consequences on winding mountain roads. Leaving the parking lot at dawn, the driver begins the journey up the mountain, where felled trees are waiting to be transported to the mill. The road is far from easy. Rocky terrain, steep slopes, and sharp, winding curves. This is no place for inexperienced drivers. The driver maintains a slow speed, one hand always on the gear stick, eyes constantly scanning the rearview mirrors. The driver takes a specialized truck deep into the logging area. Here, automatic cranes or forestry excavators lift the long, heavy logs from the collection yard and carefully place them onto the trailer. This task requires high precision to ensure the weight is evenly distributed on the truck, preventing imbalance when descending mountain roads. Then, the driver personally tightens the chains around the bundles of logs, a crucial step to keep the logs from slipping or flying off during transit. Once the truck is fully loaded, the driver begins the journey out of the forest. The road is narrow, full of hairpin turns, slippery, and lacks guardrails. The bumpy red dirt path makes it extremely difficult to maintain balance. The driver must skillfully coordinate throttle, gear shifts, and engine braking to control speed, especially when descending with dozens of tons of timber behind. Even a small mistake could lead to a rollover or a plunge down the slope. With a full load, getting down the mountain demands both skill and experience. The driver relies on engine braking and keeps a steady, safe speed to ensure the logs reach the mill intact. At the end of a long day, the driver brings the truck back to the yard, ready for the journeys ahead. Though the work is tough, it brings a sense of joy and fulfillment. Driving a logging truck isn't just about driving. It's about mastering a giant machine, understanding the forest, the equipment, and yourself. There's no glamour, no office, just dust, sweat, and a steadfast heart. Welcome to the Advanced Industrial Wood Processing line from Mill Industrias, a leading Brazilian brand in the design and manufacture of machinery for the wood industry. Today we'll explore one of the most crucial stages in wood processing, corte horizontal automatizada, the first automated horizontal cut performed using the state-of-the-art and highly precise Mill Serra system. The process begins at the raw material intake area. Round timber logs, with diameters ranging from 350 millimeters to 700 millimeters in lengths from 1 to 3 meters, are transported to the processing line and arranged on the feeding platform. Here, each log is positioned with precision, ready for cutting. Thanks to a conveyor system and automatic securing devices, every log is aligned correctly to ensure both safety and accuracy for the next cutting phase. Next comes the first horizontal cutting stage, 1. Corte horizontal. This is a particularly critical step in the lumber production chain. The goal here is to create a flat reference surface at the base of the log, serving as a stable foundation for all subsequent precision cuts. The Mill Serra machine utilizes a fully automated horizontal bandsaw blade. A high-power motor combined with an intelligent electronic control system allows for real-time adjustments in cutting speed, pressure, and saw travel, all tailored to the size and hardness of each log. There's no need for manual cutting by the operator. Everything is controlled through a user-friendly programmable interface, with preset configurations that save time and minimize human error. The machine's ability to auto-adjust cutting height, center the log, and optimize blade movement significantly boosts production efficiency while reducing material waste, a key factor in the wood processing industry. Once a flat reference surface is created at the base, the log is transferred to horizontal resawing machines. Here, the log is sliced into timber boards with precise thicknesses, ready to serve various purposes, from furniture manufacturing and flooring to construction materials and industrial pallets. The machine can cut multiple layers in a single operation, significantly reducing processing time and greatly increasing productivity. With stable and reliable performance, the system is capable of handling 1,000 to 4,000 cubic meters of wood per month, depending on the scale of the operation. After cutting, the timber boards are moved to the sorting area, where either an automated system or staff check for thickness, quality, and classify them according to standards. The wood is then neatly bundled, ready for the next stages, such as drying, planing, or direct export. Automation not only boosts efficiency, but also reduces labor intensity, enhances safety, and ensures consistent quality throughout the production process. Mill Industrias has designed integrated solutions that are environmentally friendly and energy efficient, aligned with the sustainable development goals of the modern wood industry. Thank you for watching the video.